How to merge and center cells in Microsoft Excel. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge and center cells in Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. On your system, open Microsoft Excel. Now, so I'm going to select over all the rows that I want to merge. And then I'm going to make sure I'm underneath the Home tab. And then left click on Merge and Center. Now you have it merged and centered over 3 different columns. This is how you can simply merge and center cells in Microsoft Excel. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.